Hi, Rahul. So what's up? What are you planning to do next?
Nothing yard, just searching. What about you?
I have decided to learn Python. You know, Python is a new normal, and it is an interpreted high-level programming language with a very simple syntax that makes it great for both experienced programmers and those just starting out. Among the many features that contribute to Python's widespread appeal, like it's simple to understand, as Python code relies on English terms rather than punctuation to denote sections, and line breaks further clarify these sections. In reality, this implies that the intended purpose of the code can be determined by looking at it. Because it's open source, we can get the code from the creators and tweak it to our liking. Python is portable. Python portability means that the same program may be deployed on any platform that supports the language through an interpreter. Python is extendable. It is possible to write Python code in other languages like C++, Java, etc., and to add low-level modules to the Python interpreter, allowing develop to personalize and improve their tools. Python versatility makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications, from web and software development to machine learning and artificial intelligence. Let's investigate a few of the modes typical application of this concept. To write code and create a website using Python versatility in alloying the buildings of sophisticated multi-protocol systems while yet retaining a succinct legible syntax had made the popular language for web and software development. One of the most popular Python frameworks is Django, was created by the team of Python experts. Automatic tasks using the Python. One of the Python's primary advantages is its capacity of automating mundane chores. The smtplib module makes it simple to set up automated email sending, while the shutl module simplifies the process of copying files. Python's strongest testing frameworks also make it a great language for automating the testing process. Do you know, data science and machine learning both are benefited from Python. Python is often considered the best language for data science and scientific inquiry. Python is a powerful tool for data manipulation in many fields, including research, reporting, predictive and regression studies, while training ML models data scientists and developers. Data scientists and developers often use libraries like NumPy-Pandas, Matplotlib to automate tasks like data cleaning, data transformation, and visualization. Python and AI application, there is a very great correlation between them. Python is a very widely used in advanced AI system and is often considered the go-to language for AI development. Python's huge library provides a variety of frameworks like PyBrain, which gives developers strong algorithms for machine learning jobs, and Python succinate and legible code helps developers to design consistent and dependable systems. PyTorch, a deep learning framework written in Python, is used by OpenAI, a research facility dedicated to artificial intelligence, as its de facto standards. We can do financial analysis with Python. Python accordingly helps lighten the load of massive datasets of data scientists used for fast calculations of complicated financial models. It is widely employed in the financial sector. Python may be used to input data on stocks prices and build strategies, using algorithms to discover trading opportunities in the stock market, which generates a massive quantity of data.
The Python is ubiquitous. It provides the backbone of many of the tools website and even daily use systems that users want to interact with. So it's a driving force behind everything from your preferred video streaming services to the machine learning algorithms that may aid you in your next Bitcoin investment. The complex James Webb. Space telescopes used by NASA is powered by Python for its data processing. Hey, count me. I also want to learn Python. It's new normal.